Iowa Governor Kim Reynolds and her attorney are again asking the Iowa Supreme Court to lift an injunction on the state's fetal heartbeat bill to allow it to go into effect. The law, which was signed in 2018, prohibits elective abortions after a baby's heartbeat is detected, usually around 6 weeks into a pregnancy, and that's before most women know they're pregnant. The state Supreme Court put an injunction on the law in 2019 after ruling that abortion is a state constitutional right. But that ruling has since been overturned.